Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Nextcloud server. First, ensure you have a dedicated server or virtual machine ready. You'll need a reliable internet connection and a compatible operating system, such as Ubuntu. Make sure your server has at least 2 GB of RAM and sufficient storage for your files. Having a domain name is also highly recommended for easy access and security. Now, let's get Nextcloud installed. Begin by installing a web server like Apache and a database server such as MySQL. After that, download the Nextcloud server package directly from their official website. Extract these files into your web server's document root, typically /var/www/html. Remember to set the correct file permissions to ensure everything runs smoothly and securely. With the files in place, it's time for initial configuration. Open your web browser and navigate to your server's IP address or domain name. The Nextcloud Setup Wizard will guide you. You'll create an administrator account, set up your database connection, and define your data folder. It's best to place your data directory outside the web server's public folder for enhanced security. Security is paramount for your Nextcloud server. Always enable HTTPS using an SSL certificate, such as one from Let's Encrypt, to encrypt all traffic. Regularly update your Nextcloud installation and the server's operating system to patch any vulnerabilities. Enforce strong, unique passwords for all users. Finally, establish a robust backup strategy for both your Nextcloud data and its database.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.